Part 3. Law of nature. Alright, the basic law of nature is always that a species has to work together necessarily to evolve and come further in the game of life. Humanity at this moment preoccupies itself by fighting each other itself. It's illogical and pointless. A big problem here is, of course, limited resources and money. Those are things that lie on hand, but of course there might probably be other things as well, like, I don't know, conspiracies, lobbyism, things like that. Corruption, political agendas. The first things, corruption and all that, those are things that really don't belong here. I mean, I understand the factor of limited resources and money and political agendas. That is still completely okay, but corruption and moral decay and things like that, those don't belong here.